we're gonna have one drip line in the middle, one here, 7.5, then 7.5 to the middle, 7.5 to the next one, 7.5 to the next one. Poker to poke where I made those marks. And now we'll put these in there. My drip tape, I put a stake in the middle, so when I pull it out, it's easier for one person. This is how you connect it. Take it off, you just screw it towards that way, which leaves more room to take that off. To put it on, you just make sure that it's all the way that way. And just, you know, pinch it and push it as far as you can and just screw it this way, which pressure fits the drip line. Off is this, on is that, straight through. Pull this all the way down. Okay, so it's going all the way down. Just made sure it was flat. And at the end, just tied a knot. So I roll them all out. Now I'm gonna put them in. I'm gonna put staples in each of these. I first just measured out 15 to make sure it was in the center of the rope. You put staples in the middle of each and at the end of each drip line. So here are the staples in the middle. So just one per. Didn't put them too tight. So there's like, so when it fills up, it won't constrict the water. It's really just to keep it from moving back and forth. Just eyeball it. Line it up with the other ones. Pulled the tarps back. I'm gonna test the water now. The water is coming out.